down the street. So Gulfstream is to the south. Your complex will be to the north. And it should be one of these buildings right up here on the left-hand side. It's primarily a industrial or a commercial along the main road, and then it is going to be a mixture of condos and single-family homes throughout all this section. And I do believe this is the unit right to our left here that we see. All right, we're back on Hallandale Beach Boulevard. We're going to go up to 10th Avenue again, which is one way directly to the complex, which is about 2 blocks north of 10th Avenue. There may be an additional back exit off the road to the west of here. We'll figure that out more after we preview the community. So once again, this building right here on the left is the condo building in question. All right, we arrived at the community. I'm going to do a walk around of the exterior of the community, parking, and then we'll head into the community itself. The community appears to be made up of 2 buildings on a square lot with a perimeter parking. That's what you see here. It looks like it goes all the way around the building. And then you have 2 buildings running east and west, appear to be 2 floors. And in the center of the 2 buildings is a large courtyard that you see right here. And this courtyard is flanked with a permanent wall and gating. So this would be the access point for guests to call through or have a code to be able to get into visitors. So it is a semi-secured building. Has a little bit of architectural details here. There's an AC unit up there. There's probably a clubhouse right on the back side. There's probably a pool here in the center. And the units look over this courtyard. We will do a complete walk around just so we have a lay of the land, so to speak. So there's going to be a south building and a north building. They may both be address 161, or one building could be one number and the other could be another. It appears 161 would be the north building if that was the case. There's parking flanking the exterior. There are some guest parking that I noticed when I first came in. Everybody else will be assigned at least one spot. There is also another entrance area. This is called Towers North. That's the one you're in. Another gated area to get in as well. So you don't have to walk all the way to the front if you have your parking more to the back and the sides. There could be a third building back here. It has one ways. This could be a completely different community with just shared parking. So this is the back of the community. It's fenced again. So all your courtyard area is inside. This is a view as you enter through the north gate on the east side of the property. There is some type of clubhouse unit here to the left, I believe. It is a 3-story building. I stand corrected. This would be the view from the front living room of the community from either set of buildings. I believe you're going to be in the building on this side, which is the north tower. We'll find out soon enough. This is the view of the clubhouse. The doors are locked. I can't get inside. I It appears just to be a clubhouse. There doesn't appear to be any type of gym. Just a big open area, probably available for meetings and private use with deposit. You have some common area barbecues, and you have a simple pool complex with some open space on the other side and some shuffleboard courts. All right, the unit that we're looking for is 7C, and it's pretty simple, the numbering here. It starts at 1 on the north side and works your way up. A is ground level, B is level 2, and C is level 3. And we're going to head up. There are staircases on either end of the building. Small walkway. In the center on each of the buildings is the side entrance. The gate code should work on all the gates. They're a manual type system. It's not a smart gate or tied into cell phones or anything of that nature. And in this center area should be the elevators. It is. So on either building in the center is the lobby area of the building, so to speak. This is where you'll find the directory, you'll find the mailboxes, you'll also find the bulletin board of any information going on. That's the access to the north parking lot. You do have your elevator. You have a third set of stairs. All right, I forgot my mask, so I came back through the main gate. I want to take the first stairwell up to the 3rd floor. I believe you'll be the 7th unit from the front. That's the front gate. It's funny if that sounds. Got some seasonal people. All right, as you walk into unit 7C, it is the older style open patio to the front. We're going to go through the front door. It opens up to a nice offset living room dining area. Has a nice neutral tile. It's got a good size feel to it. We'll continue into the dining room, and to the front is the kitchen area. The kitchen's been updated once in its lifetime, but it's still a dated kitchen. It's a mica top with a thermal foil door. Looks like the electric's been updated. So you have your dining room here. You're offset to the living room. So it's a nicer layout than your typical units. Then behind this wall, you have a small hallway. Obviously you have some closet area here with a bed set of doors. You have a smaller false ceiling right here. This may house some of the electric, so you may or may not be able to take it out. This does have a central unit installed as well as wall units, and they may have just not taken those out, so they did not have to patch the walls. This is the bathroom, again remodeled at a similar date, probably a 90s. Get to see my little hand. This is to the master. You have a large set of closets along this side. It's a good sized room. It does have some impact windows in the bedroom. You have a large closet in the master. It goes the entire width of the unit has some older style built-ins. In addition, the property is offered only fully furnished, so all the items you see in here will be included. You have a twin size bed, dresser, nightstands. It's in good shape, not exactly gorgeous, but it works. Dining room set is included as long as the table and the lamp. In the living room, you have a brand new sleeper sofa, a dresser. You have a matching china hutch to the bedroom set, some matching lamps, and you also have a small table, stereo setup along with the chair. This is the other original wall unit. These can be taken out and blocked up and closed, or they can be left as additional kickers if you really wanted the place cold. In addition, this patio set will be here as well.
Dryer here for everybody.
All right, so on the third floor you have a storage area. Obviously yours is 7C, and it also includes this floor's washer and dryer, simple coin operated systems. So plenty of room, plenty of space.